Wish you a very lovely good morning, class 7th students. This is English class and today we are going to start chapter um, 13, Tradition of Sacrifice. India has had a rich culture of self-sacrifice right from the ancient period to the present. Okay, India has had a rich culture of self sacrifice right from the ancient period to the present. Okay, ancient period to the present period. This spirit has kept our traditions and culture alive. Okay, these spirits has kept our traditions and culture alive. There are scores of examples in which people laid down their lives for the cause they believed in and it recorded their names in the annals. Okay, in the annals of history for all times to come. Okay, the instances of self-sacrifice are found in our mythological tales. Okay, mythological tales too, and we shall discuss a very popular one. Okay, in the Hindu mythology, there are three worlds. Okay, Swarglok, Mrityulok, and Patallok, or heaven, mortal world, and nether world, respectively. Long, long ago, okay, long ago, there was a king named Bali in the Mrityulok. Okay, there was a king. He is named Bali. Okay, where he is in Mrityulok. Okay, he was a just and charitable king. Okay, he was a just and charitable king. He looked after his subjects well and ensured that all of them lived a secure, happy, and prosperous life. Those days, a king was supposed to look after a well-being of his people as well as expand his territory so far as it might be possible. Following this following this dictum, King Bali conquered all the kingdoms in the mortal world. Okay, he is the king. He is the king of Mrityulok, and he conquered all the kingdoms in the mortal world. Okay, and established so large an empire that had not existed before. Okay, however, his stints at charity continued. He remained a labile and kind-hearted king for his people. It is a story. Okay, it is a story. Okay, it is a mythological story. Okay, we discuss. It is very popular story. Okay, as he became powerful, whose thought Bali thought that he was the most powerful and could not be overpowered by any. Okay, his thought his was very powerful and could not be overpowered. So he thought of extended his empire to the Swarglok to using his mighty army and enormous resources. He accomplished this desire of his too. Okay, he squarely defeated the gods living there. He's made Bali haughty, okay, haughty and vainglorious. Okay, the gods were forced to live under the rule of Bali, so they were not satisfied. Okay, the gods were forced to live under the rule of Bali, so they were not satisfied. They went to Lord Vishnu and prayed. Okay, and prayed for help. Okay, Vishnu assured them after his victory over the Swarglok. King Bali held a great yajna or fire sacrifice. Okay, on its completion, he was offering gift to all the priests and says who had participated in it. Among them was a priest named Vaman. Okay, named Vaman. Then he was Lord Vishnu himself in disguise. As Bali distributed gifts among the hermits, the turn of Vaman too came. Okay, King Bali asked politely, "Yes, what would you like to have?" Okay, King Bali. Okay, he's asked too politely, "Yes, what would you like to have? I have pots full of gold and gems and dresses of finest silk. What should I offer you?" Okay. Then woman said, "Sir." Okay. Then asked the Bali. Okay. Asked to woman. Okay. Woman said, after this question, woman said, "Sir, you are the master of the universe, and there is nothing which is not accessible to you. You are known for your charity the world over. Hearing your praise, I have come to you with a great expectation." Okay. Then Bali never realized what was in store for him. He said in a solemn voice, "Okay, yes, tell me what I can do for you. You should not hesitate to ask anything you wish. You can see all people going satisfied with my gifts." Okay, you can see, Bali said, na, Bali said to woman, okay, you can see all people going satisfied with my gifts, and there is no reason that I should not send you a satisfied man. Woman said, "Sir, I can ask only if you give word." Okay, you give word. If you give word, only then shall I ask what I want. Okay. Bali thought for a while and what? Okay. Woman wanted to confirm the vow. He said, you will give whatever I ask, want you. Then Bali said in a firm voice, "You must know that I do what I say, even if I have to give my life." Means it is a story, and conversation start to King Bali and King Bali and woman. Okay. Then woman said, "Well, I am assured, sir. I just need land as large as my 3 steps." Bali burst into a loud laughter. Okay. He's burst into a loud laughter. Was this all he wanted? Was it this that he wanted me to take a vow for? He thought in amusement. The entire court was laughing too, and this manikin priest had asked merely 3-step land. Okay, merely 3-step land. He want to only 3-step, merely 3-step land. It was nothing for him. Controlling his laughter, Bali said, okay, after controlling his laughter, Bali said, "You can have this much land, okay, anywhere in my empire you may like. Now you know that small dwarf was none other than Lord Vishnu." Okay, Baman, he is a Lord Vishnu. He enlarged himself. Okay, he is a Lord Vishnu, so he enlarged himself that his head was lost into the infinite sky. He measured the whole of Mrityulok. Okay, Mrityulok is in 3 steps. All world, Mrityulok in 1 step, the Swarglok in the next step, and then asked, yes, King Bali, where should I keep my 3rd step? Okay, woman said, he is the Lord Vishnu. Bali was taken unaware. He seldom realized that God himself was before him. All his haughtiness melted away. He knelt down before the Lord and said, I have no other land to offer for your 3rd step. Please keep it on my head. Okay, it was how a haughty king was overwhelmed. Bali had gifted away his entire land, yet the Lord permitted him to retire to the Patal Lok with his family. Okay, so it is an ancient story. Tradition of sacrifice. Okay, it is a ancient story, and in this story Bali, it is a king, and Lord Vishnu, it is a Lord Vishnu, it is a character of woman. Okay, so students, this chapter completed. Thank you.